Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. We've been listening to your feedback and we've made a lot of great upgrades to our popular LED coaster lights. We have greatly improved the battery life of these LED coasters. They're now going to last approximately 4 times longer than the MKIII variant that they're replacing. We did this by doubling the size of the battery and adding ambient light sensor technology in conjunction with motion sensor technology. What this does is it allows your coaster here to automatically turn on and off in proper light settings and whenever your truck is active. So that's going to save a lot of battery life and it's going to make this operation seamless. We also completely redesigned the top on these coaster kits for a more premium appearance and one that blends better with the interior design of our Ford trucks. So they're not only going to look great at night, but during the day as well. We also made them easier to use by removing the tool key and integrating a push sensor on the back of your coaster. So with an easy push, you can cycle through all the different colors and color modes of the unit without needing any kind of tool. Not only did that make these coasters easier to control, but it also allowed us to create a narrow and more stable base. We are always striving to improve our LED offering for our fellow Ford truck family, and your feedback is critical to that success. We believe these upgrades are a direct reflection of that feedback, and we can't wait for you to enjoy them. As always, you can check them out as well as all of our custom LED lighting products for your Ford truck at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support. Thank you for allowing us to serve our fellow Ford truck owner family, and we'll see you at F150LEDs.com soon. Thanks, guys.